How to safely remove eyebrow tint at home.
Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common dilemma many of us face: removing eyebrow tint that might be a little too dark or uneven. Whether you tinted your brows at home or had it done professionally, occasionally things don't turn out as expected. Don't fret. We'll explore some effective ways to lighten or remove eyebrow tint right at home.
Why would you want to remove eyebrow tint?
Sometimes, the color might be too dark, uneven, or you might simply change your mind about having tinted eyebrows. It's essential to have a solution at your fingertips without causing damage or irritation to the skin.
What are the home remedies?
1. Mild soap and warm water. Gently rub your brows with a cotton pad soaked in warm water and a bit of mild soap. Rinse thoroughly. 2. Olive oil or coconut oil. Apply a small amount of oil onto a cotton pad and gently rub over your eyebrows. Allow it to sit for a few minutes and then wipe off. Both oils have properties that can help dissolve the tint without being too harsh on the skin. 3. Makeup remover. Use an oil-free makeup remover. Swipe it over the eyebrows several times until the color starts to fade. 4. Baking soda and shampoo. Mix equal parts of baking soda and a clarifying shampoo to create a paste. Apply this to your brows and let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse off. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant and can help to fade the tint.
What precautions should you take?
Patch test. Always do a patch test with any product or remedy to ensure no allergic reactions. Avoid over-scrubbing. The skin around the eyebrows is delicate. Over-scrubbing can cause irritation. Moisturize. After any treatment, ensure you moisturize the area to keep it hydrated and to avoid dryness. While eyebrow tinting can give fantastic results, it's reassuring to know that if things don't go as planned, there are remedies right at home to fix it. Remember to always be gentle with your skin, and hopefully, these tips have been helpful for those oops moments. Stay beautiful and confident.